market, you will get everything for the cheap price. All cars spare parts are available here. They are giving you 3 days to check and come back to them. Since these are used parts, there is no guarantee on it. Got it? Yeah. So if you speak, it will record. If you don't want to speak, it's fine.
I don't want to speak. Say something, na?
Yeah, no worries. I will. No, you hold it. It's recording, na? You hold it. You record everything. Hold inside, otherwise your camera will fall. I didn't see him there. Yeah, you can stop, no problem. What is the name of the garage? Yeah, this place.
This is used spare part of cars. Any brand you can get from here. I have got my parts for a Audi A4 2007 model. I have buy seat belt. I have buy self starters, and it costs less.
So if you want anything cheap here, come to this market. You will get everything for the cheap price. Because these all cars spare parts are available here. So you should come visit and check out by yourself. Thank you.
Yes, but if you buy parts, you have to return in 3 days. Within 3 days. If you don't return within 3 days, they will not give you money back.
Yeah, so
it is not supportable to your car.
Yeah, so it's like only they are giving you 3 days to check and come back to them if it is working or not. Since these are used parts, there's no guarantee on it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Bye. ફોર્ટી થ્રી જ છે ને
તો 1-2 મિનિટમાં કઈ નહીં થાય.
તો કંઈ નહીં.